How is refugee status determined? Have you ever wondered how someone becomes recognized as a refugee? The process of determining refugee status is both formal and essential for those seeking safety from persecution. This process is known as Refugee Status Determination, or RSD. It helps decide if an individual qualifies for protection under international, regional, or national law. At the heart of RSD is the definition of a refugee established by the 1951 Refugee Convention and its 1967 protocol. To be recognized as a refugee, an individual must show a well-founded fear of persecution. This fear can be based on race, religion, nationality, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion. This definition guides how each claim is assessed. The responsibility for conducting RSD usually falls on the state where the asylum claim is made. States are expected to have fair and efficient procedures to evaluate these claims. If a state does not have such procedures or is not part of the 1951 Convention, the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees may step in to conduct RSD under its mandate. The United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees also helps states improve their national asylum systems to ensure quality decision-making. The RSD process involves several key steps. First, there is registration, where the asylum seeker's claim is officially recorded. Next comes the interview, where a specially trained official conducts a detailed, non-adversarial interview. This interview gathers information about the applicant's circumstances, reasons for fleeing, and evidence supporting their claim. After the interview, the official assesses all relevant information. This includes country conditions, the applicant's credibility, and any supporting documents. Finally, a decision is made based on this assessment to determine if the individual meets the refugee criteria. In some cases, especially during mass influxes of displaced persons, group or prima facie recognition procedures may be used. These allow for quicker recognition of refugee status for groups facing similar threats, avoiding lengthy individual assessments. Temporary protection measures may also be applied in emergencies to provide immediate safety while longer-term solutions are developed. From a law school perspective, understanding RSD involves analyzing international refugee law, state obligations, and procedural fairness. Students study how legal frameworks operate in practice, how evidence and credibility are evaluated, and how judicial review can be sought if claims are denied. Legal education highlights the importance of procedural safeguards and the protection of fundamental rights throughout the RSD process. In practical terms, legal professionals working in refugee law assist asylum seekers by preparing them for interviews, gathering evidence, and ensuring their claims are presented effectively. They also advocate for fair procedures and challenge negative decisions through appeals or judicial review. Refugee Status Determination is a structured legal process grounded in international law that assesses whether an individual qualifies for refugee protection. It involves state authorities or the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, a careful evaluation of the applicant's fear of persecution, and adherence to procedural standards designed to protect vulnerable individuals seeking safety.